So if you have an issue with no sound playing on your Fire Stick and it's only inside of the apps, so you can hear the clicking. So the sound works, but when you play a movie or a TV show, you get no sound. Change your media player. So go to settings of any app that you're using and change your default media player. Most likely you're using MX Player. So if you're using MX Player and you have no sound, go to your settings and choose your default media player to something different. You can use the built-in player. So for Cinema HD, it was that one. So now I'm gonna go into BTV and go through the settings and do the same thing. So I'm gonna use the external player. Inside of Cyberflix, you can change your video player from this button right here. So let me go back. So right there, if you click on that, it'll tell you can change your default player from MX VLC to the native player. Now MX is in my ES File Explorer, but VLC, I believe you can get from the App Store. Let me verify that. I'm gonna hit the home button, type in VLC. Yeah, so VLC you can get a good version from the Amazon App Store. So it's just another media player you can use. MX you have to get from my ES File Explorer. So if you got problems with sound only from the apps like Cyberflix, Cinema HD, is most likely that the media is something happened with the media player, some settings in the media player. So just change your media player from MX to a different media player, and that will fix any issue you have with your sound.